Forgotten username recovery failed on GetPaid Fix. If your GetPaid username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they expect GetPaid to still use usernames. The surprising truth is that GetPaid now relies on your registered email or phone number for login, which is why the old username recovery option often fails. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the GetPaid app or visit the website. Enter your registered email or phone number instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for previous messages from GetPaid, like payment notifications or account confirmations. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email or phone. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the message doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, use the same method to log in. Many failed recovery attempts occur because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact GetPaid support. Provide your full name, registered email or phone number and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. GetPaid removed usernames to simplify login and enhance security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email or linked login, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your GetPaid account in minutes.